Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300. It comes well equipped with a sport-tuned suspension, power folding heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, all-season tires, rain-detecting heated wipers, fully automatic daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong turbocharged 4-cylinder with only 46,586 miles. Key fob trunk release, large LED brake lights, the quasi-dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and a power outlet. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated MB Tech seating with memory, dual zone auto climate, refrigerated storage, a garage opener, a tracker system, a push button start, a power leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, the multimedia and navigation system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.